Facebook Business Manager New Meta Business Suite Guide. Hi again, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, for today, let's talk about the Facebook Business Manager, this new Meta Business Suite Guide. So, enable for you to go in this new Meta Business Suite Guide, you need to first log into your personal account. And over here on your left side, you need to go to the Ads Manager and you'll be redirected to your campaign page where you can create your own campaign over here. So enable for you to go to the new Meta Business Suite Guide, you need to go to the Business Home. It's located here on your left sidebar. You can see the home. So just click on it and you'll be redirected to the Meta Business Suite. So here it is. This is your home dashboard. So here you can easily manage your Facebook page and also your Instagram account. As you can see, I have my Facebook here and my Instagram as well. And here I can create a post here and also create a story and create an ad as well. So down here is your updates. You can check your unread messages, comments, and other things that may require your attention. So you can see here your messages. It can be a messages from your Facebook page or from your Instagram. So you also have your comments here, and also you can see your task over here. And by the way, just an overview about the Meta Business Suite Guide. So what is this? Facebook Business Suite is a free Facebook page management tool that allows admins and certain users with other rules to handle your Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, and Messenger interaction from a single dashboard. So this is what Meta Business all about. So here you have your task. Task can be seen by all people who help manage your business because you can share your business account to other people, or for example a freelancer that you want to manage your social media account. You may also click the see all to see all your tasks here inside your Meta Business Suite. So just wait for a while. So here you have your task also, and you can check this box here if you completed this task. And if you completed it, you can see it here under your closed task. And you can also add a new task by hitting enter, and you can add the task here, the task details and the information. You can also open the information here, the title of the task and the details. So let's go ahead and continue. Let me close this one. So down here you can also, by the way, download the Meta Business Suite in your mobile device. So it's available on Android and also on Apple devices. And here you can also see the recent posts. You will see here the performance of each of your posts. So as you can see the number of people reached from this post, both from your Facebook and your Instagram account. You can also see the reaction, the likes, and also the comments. You also have an option here to boost the post. And by the way, here on your right side corner, you can also see the overview inside of your Facebook page and also your Instagram account. So under your trends, you will see here if how many people or audience you reach within this period from May 14 to June 10. So it will show here the 30 days or 1 month period. So under your audience is where you can see the Facebook page like, if how many new audience like your Facebook page, and for your Instagram if how many new audience follow you. So I have 41 new followers here. So that's the overview inside of my Facebook page and my Instagram account. So going forward, here you can also see your recent stories. And also here you can see their recent ads. Ads will appear here along with your insight, including the budget, reach, and cost per engagement. But for now, there's no information here because I did not create any ads yet for my Facebook page and my Instagram. But if I had, then it will show the information here. And also you have your grow your audience here where you can send an invite to your friends to like your Facebook page and also follow you on your Instagram account. And down here, you have your content inspiration. Here you can see the stories from similar businesses. So here you can see if what kind of content that will work for your business. You can have an idea here. So you can check these stories here. So let's move on to notification here. So under your notification is where you can see all your notification both on your Facebook page and your Instagram. So same with your personal account notification on Facebook, you can receive notification when you have likes, comments, share, and also messages. So let's go ahead and go to inbox. So here you can see messages both for your you have all your messages here, but if you want to check just the message from your Facebook Messenger, then you can go here, Messenger. And if you want to check just the message from your Instagram account, then Instant Direct. You also have your Facebook comments here. You can see the Facebook comments and also the Instagram comments. And you can also install some chat plugin if you like to. So here you have your chat plugin, so you can do all of this if you want to. Like you can set up a automatic response to your new audience. If your audience or your followers will send you a message, you can send a automatic respond to those people. So you also have your posts and stories here. This is for your posts and stories, of course. This is for your posts and stories, of course. But what I love here is that you can also schedule your posts here. So there's no need for you to make use of other software and pay it just to schedule your posts, because here inside your Meta Business Suite, you can also schedule your post here. As you can see, you have your scheduled post here. So you can schedule your posts and also schedule your stories. As you can see, you also have an option here to schedule your stories post. So you also have your feed and grid where you can see the actual look of your post on your Facebook page feed and also on your Instagram feed. But you can also check the grid here, like from the other management tool that you can schedule your posts. You can also see here what will be the grid look like for all your posts here that you scheduled. So you also have your Facebook photos here, your A/B testing. This is for campaign. If you want to create a campaign, you can do A/B testing. And also you can have mention and tags over here as well. So let's go ahead and go forward. So you also have your commerce here from the word itself. This is for your e-commerce store or for your online store. And you also have your planner here. For the planner, this will be like your calendar. So as you can see here, you will see all the posts that you have here. And if you have a scheduled post, you will also see it here. So you also have your ads manager here where you can manage or create your own ads. And for your insight, of course, it will give you an insight or an overview performance of your Facebook page and Instagram. So that's it. You can also see the result here, the content, the audience that you have for all your posts. This is important, guys, for you to know or learn about the audience that you have, especially if your account is just new and your business is just new. And also you have other tools here. Here's your other tools. You have for your engaged audience, manage, advertise, analyze, report, sell products and services for e-commerce. So I guess that's all for today's video. And I hope that you learned something. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. And thank you so much for watching.